morning, Tube. Welcome to a daily edition of my barber vlog. Today is Wednesday. Should be my day off, but I called myself in again. I am off this week on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. I'm taking off vacation, so therefore I made myself available to my customers and for Tuesday, Wednesday, which are normally my days off. So the next couple of weeks, my schedule is going to be a little bit mixed up. So I'm headed to the shop right now. See what we get into. I'll be back with you guys. Left work right now for a few. It's 1:48. I'm about 7-8 cuts in already today. It's not too busy. We're short one guy, so it's kind of good that I came in. I think he missed because he knew I wasn't coming to work, but it's all right. It's all good as long as he can see her on Saturday when I'm not here. So right now I just left shop. I'm gonna go do an errand for my mother. I'm gonna go sell her recyclables so she has some extra money for Laughlin this weekend. So I'm gonna go handle that for my mom's real quick, and then I'm gonna head back to the shop and get back to work, finish up the day. I've had a little time at the shop, so I got a little time to edit. I've been editing some videos. I'm gonna have coming out with that Braum Series 9, my extensive review on it. I got some clips on there where I'm showing that I'm using it, and I'm gonna give you guys my full review on what I think about that machine. That's coming up. I'm gonna be dropping that video probably tonight or tomorrow. But I got other content coming out, guys. All right, I'll stay with you. Late. Those are half the bags. One of the baskets. I already filled up 2 can ones, 2 plastics. Not even done yet. 5 baskets of cans, 4 baskets of plastic. And I didn't even have to take them out of the bags. I took them out of the bags on my own. Duh. Not bad. I just got done with the recyclables for my mom, and shit, she got 150 bucks for that stuff. So that's that's pretty good. It's mostly all Modelo cans. I don't know where they came from. Nah, they come from the barbershop. We had at my barbershop, at our barbershop, we allow refreshments. So if a customer comes in and he wants to have a refreshment after work, I just tell him to put it in the bag, you know. And here in California, it's actually legal now, so it's all good. So that's why all the recyclables I collect at the barbershop, I just take them over to the house, and I hand them over to Mom's, and Mom separates them. She gets the money. So it's her little deal, so I let her do it. I just go and sell them for her. I'm gonna go take her back the money right now. I'm gonna heading back to the shop right now.
Your little paisa. Oh yeah, you always had that tough doing it. I mean, the house.
You carry your tapatio in the car?
I hate tapatio. The only time I like it is on some cocktail.
Experience the outing.
That was a bomb too.
Cocktail?
Get an exceptional offer at your local
Every month, 59 million people pack their bags for cash driving Uber. And by using Instant Pay, she'll go from the driver's seat to snowy peaks. Get your side hustle on. Sign up at uber.com/drive now.
I'm gonna have to do it.
Had to come out, get one last flight for my drone before the night's over. So I go in right here. I'm in front of my house. Check it out, guys. I got a couple of these for sale. If anybody's interested, half price of what they're selling for on Amazon. Let me know. Check it out. It's gliding right in front of me. My remote's right here. Pretty sick. I just got some sick night shots right now. I'll post it up on my vlog tonight. Alright guys, signing out. Hey, if you like my channel, make sure you subscribe. Late.